Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you guys how you can fix the problem of mouse cursor or mouse pointer disappeared from your computer. It can happen to both laptop and computers. In this case I'm aware you are not being able to use your mouse pointer, so I'll be using just the keyboard for this tutorial. So we'll have to get to device manager somehow to fix the issue. Press on Windows key on your keyboard and search for device manager and hit enter. Use the tab button and press on bottom arrow key and go on to mouse and pointing device, then click right arrow key and then down arrow key, select enter. Use the tab button until you go on to drivers and then use the tab button again to go on to disable device, hit enter, click yes and then press on enable again. This should work. Now if it still doesn't, use the tab button again and select on uninstall device, hit enter and then uninstall. Now use alt key and then using the right arrow key go on to action and then scan for hardware changes. Click on it. Okay, now we'll go to the mouse again and then click enter and then go on to driver and look for update driver. Search automatically on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet before updating the driver. If your mouse cursor is still not showing, just final step is restart the computer. So click on the Windows button and use the tab button to go on to settings, and then you can restart the computer from using the arrow keys. So restart the computer and then mouse cursor should work fine.